Have you ever looked at your wrist and noticed your veins look blue? But wait a second. Isn't blood supposed to be red? So why does it look blue under our skin? This question has confused people for years, and the real answer might surprise you. The truth is, blood is never blue. That's right. Whether it's rich with oxygen or not, human blood is always some shade of red. When it's full of oxygen, it's bright red. When oxygen levels drop, it turns dark red. So if our blood isn't blue, what tricks our eyes into seeing it that way? It all comes down to how light interacts with our skin. When white light, from the sun or indoor lights, hits our skin, it doesn't just bounce straight back. Some colors of light go deeper, while others scatter near the surface. Red light has longer wavelengths, so it penetrates deeper into the skin and gets absorbed. Blue light, on the other hand, has shorter wavelengths. It scatters more easily and reflects back toward our eyes. That's why veins appear blue, even though the blood inside them is red. It's not the color of the blood. It's the way light behaves inside our skin. In other words, what we're seeing is an optical illusion, the same kind of effect that makes the ocean look blue, even though water itself is clear. The ocean absorbs red light and scatters blue light back to our eyes. Your skin does something very similar. It's not that the color changes. It's that the light we see is filtered and scattered along the way. Now, a lot of people believe that oxygen-rich blood is red and oxygen-poor blood is blue. That's a common myth, and it mostly comes from biology textbook illustrations. In diagrams, artists use blue and red colors to help show the difference between oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. But that's just a visual aid, not the real color of your blood. In reality, even the blood in your veins is still a deep, dark red. So, why does oxygen make blood look brighter? It's because of a protein called hemoglobin, which contains iron atoms. When oxygen binds to these iron atoms, it changes the way light is absorbed and reflected, making blood appear lighter and brighter. When oxygen levels drop, hemoglobin reflects less light, and the blood looks darker. But again, never blue. Here's something else interesting. The way your veins look can also depend on your skin tone, thickness, and lighting. In lighter skin, blue tones are easier to see because the skin allows more light to scatter back. In darker or thicker skin, the effect is less visible. And in places like your wrist, where the skin is thinner, the blue appearance becomes much stronger. So it's not just about what's under your skin, it's about how your skin plays with light. In short, your blood is always red. It just looks blue because of how light travels, bends, and reflects inside your skin. It's not magic, it's physics at work. So, the next time you look at your veins and see that bluish color, don't be fooled. What you're really seeing isn't blue blood. You're seeing the beauty of light and science playing tricks on your eyes.